Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video we are going to learn how we can make copy pasting faster in Windows. You can apply this method to Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11 or later version. First of all, if you're new to your YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for our future videos. Now for example, I'm opening this new text document and here you can see text 1, text 2 and text 3, but here let me copy first text 3, then copy text 2 and then copy text 1. Now when I pasting here, only the last known will be passed here. So what about text 3 and text 2? By default this option is disabled in Windows, so you can enable to access text 3 and also text 2. Now how you can do this? Click on this Windows icon. Now in here type Clipboard. In the top you can see Clipboard settings. Click on open. Now here you can see Clipboard history. Save multiple items to the clipboard to use later. Press the Windows logo +V to view your clipboard history and paste from it. Enable this option. Now let me copy text 2 and text 3. Now and also let me again copy text 1. Now when I paste here, the last known will be pasting here. Now if you want text 3 or text 2, just here click on Windows +V and here you can see your text 3 and text 2. Just click on it and the paste will here. Now if you want text 3, Windows +V and just click on text 3 and the copy pasting will be here. This is just a simple example. You can use it for large text data. So apply these settings and enable that option. It will make your copy pasting faster and easier. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.